Step 1. Right-click Start button. Left-click Device Manager. Step 2. For demo purpose, open display adapters as in this video. Right-click Display Driver, left-click Update Driver to update driver. Method 1. Step 3. Left-click Search automatically for updated driver software, for auto-update driver. Method 2. Step 4. Left-click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Step 5. Left-click Check for updates. Method 3. Step 6. Right-click Display Driver, left-click Update Driver. Left-click Browse My Computer for driver software. Left-click Browse. Select the path of download a driver to install. Click Subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.